New tonight at 6, activists in Las Vegas took to the streets today to protest an industry known for its sky-high fees. At one point or another, the option of a payday loan has seemed pretty attractive to most of us, but many people find the fine print turns a helping hand into a death grip on your finances. News 3's Fatima Rahmatullah talked with one woman who shares her story of a loan spiraling out of control.
As protesters marched into this money tree on Sahara near Rancho asking questions.
Do you know that your loans are a hazard for our community?
They were quickly kicked out.
Please take your questions outside.
They're against short-term, high-interest loans that trap millions of Americans in a cycle of debt.
Christmas was coming up, and since I get my check at the beginning of the month, it pays bills. I just want to have a nice Christmas dinner.
Donna is one of those victims. She relies on Social Security. She took out a payday loan and couldn't make her payments on top of paying off her bills.
Constantly paying me interest fees and taking out the loan again, and the interest fees go up, and worrying, how am I going to do this?
Before she knew it, she owed more money than she received in her Social Security check.
They called me, they called my mother who was dying of cancer at the time. They called my brother, they sent letters to my mother's home.
According to Pew Charitable Trust, Nevada payday lenders have one of the highest rates in the country. They charge an average annual interest rate of 521%.
We want them to put a cap on the interest rate, and we want them to also set some kind of strict guidelines so payday lenders are punished for abusive practices.
So Donna and many others like her aren't vulnerable to sky-high interest rates.
You think you're going to be able to pay it back. It was well-intentioned, no matter how stupid in hindsight, but that's what hindsight is.
So what's next? Well, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau is looking to write the first federal rules for the $46 billion payday loan industry.